Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Tour Pro Plus with an Android device. So in order to do this, first let's turn on Bluetooth on our device. Next is to open the case with the earbuds. Now we can see this device right here, but let's take both of the earbuds out. And we should see something else, like this one without LE. So let's click on pair with them. And that's how you pair your earbuds with Bluetooth on Android smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.